Let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now.
Hello everyone! Happy New Year! Hello mga ka-Bethiful! Welcome to my YouTube channel! And if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So for today's vlog guys, I just get back from my vacation sa Philippines. So ang unang gagawin is aayusin ang bahay. Kasi syempre, naiwan siyang madumi. Or syempre for almost 3 weeks, naging maalikabok. So first thing to do, we will clean the house and then we will fix lahat ng mga dala nating luggage. So syempre, i-check natin ang ating freezer na naiwan ng almost 3 weeks. So far, ayan, okay pa naman siya. May mga laman pa na frozen items. I have chicken, ayan. I have ground beef, I have fish, diba? So, okay pa siya. Nalinis ko na to actually kanina. Hindi ko lang nakuhanan. And I have here also my frozen fresh fruits. Ayan. May mga nakalagay kung ano siya. Anong mga fruits ito? Ito. For this one, I have here spinach, broccoli, apple, mango, banana. Ito yung ginagawa kong healthy, fresh fruit na smoothie. So, ayan siya. Dito naman, ayan, it's empty. Ayan. So, nalinis ko na rin siya. Tinapon ko na yung mga naiwang mga fruits and vegetables na syempre for 3 weeks na ano na siya, na spoiled. And this is, ayan, tinapon ko na rin yung mga canned, ang tawag nito, canned sauce, something, or because I have here pasta sauce at saka yung pesto, tinapon ko na kasi expired na. So, it's clean na. Ayan. Now, of course, I have to go to the supermarket para mamili ng mga kakailanganin sa bahay, like groceries, wala rin kaming rice, ayan, at mga iba pang mga kakailanganin like fruits and veggies. So ayan guys, samahan niyo ko at lalabas tayo ngayon at mamimili. At unang gagawin ko, of course, ipapa-car wash natin ang ating sasakyan at for sure sobrang kapal na ng alikabok ng aking sasakyan. So, tara na! Samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Yan guys, ngayon ko lang ito napansin. After 3 weeks na wala kami sa bahay. Ayan. Na ano siya. Siguro nadali siya. Ayan o. Basag. Ba't ang dilim? Ayan o, nabasag siya. Ayan o, basag siya. Nabasag. Kaya pala mali yung ano. Ayan. So, mamaya itatapon na natin to at nabasag. Siguro nasagi ng cleaner. Ayan siya. Basag siya. So, we are here now. Let's see my car. Oh! Ayan. So, ayan siya. Diba? Sinulatan na ng flat number dahil sobrang alikabok. Ayan. So, first thing we will do, ayan o. Hindi naman nila alam na wala yung may-ari, diba? So, dadalhin natin ang ating car sa car wash. Ayan. So, ayan guys. This is the interior. So, 3 weeks nating hindi napaandar ang ating sasakyan. So, warm up muna. Ayan. Ayan. So, let's stay 3 minutes like this. Ayan. Para mag-warm up ang ating makina. Ayan. Kasi 3 weeks siyang natenga. Ayan. Dadalhin natin ang ating sasakyan for car wash. At talagang sobrang kapal ng alikabok sa labas. Ayan. So, ayan guys, I will bring my car sa car wash. Na-miss ko ang mag-drive. My God, almost 3 weeks na walang driving. So, ayan, may tatawid. So, ayan. Today is Sunday, so hindi busy ang road, ang luwag-luwag ng kalsada. So ayan, turning to the car wash. Ayan, pa-car wash na tayo. So ayan guys, andito na tayo. So finally, mapapaliguan na rin ang ating sasakyan, di ba? Magiging fresh na siya. So, nakapila tayo. Yan yung unahan. Let's wait for our turn. So, this is the area where, ayun yung sasakyan ko for vacuum. Ayan, so let's wait here. Siguro mga 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. So, ayan, natapos na tayo sa ating car wash. Punta na tayo sa Carrefour para mag-grocery. Malapit lang siya guys. Ayun no, yung building na yan, yung nakikita nyo. That's where I always buy my groceries. So, ayan. We're entering the supermarket. Over there. So, ayan, we're back to reality. Of course, grocery time. Yung mga basic needs natin ang ating bibilhin. So, wala akong nilista. Sana hindi ko makalimutan. So, ayan, binili ng anak ko is apple juice. And for me, cranberry. Ayan. For me is cranberry. And for my son, apple juice. So, eto, apple juice. Kuha tayo ng 2 apple juice. So, bili din tayo ng pineapple juice. Ayan. Ready to drink. Let's buy 4 cans only. So, I have a pasta sauce. So, tinapon ko na yung pesto sauce ko. So, let's buy this. Kailan ang expiration? 2025. So, this one. Wala tayong rice sa bahay, as in. So, ito yung brand na mura at masarap. Thailand. I know, it's not Thailand. It's a Vietnam rice. That's one. Ayan, it's jasmine rice. So, we'll buy 2 5 kilos. Para minsanan. Mabigat to eh. This is for 1 month, I guess. Ayan, guys. Ayan. This is Australia. Bili tayo ng beef, which is Brazilian. So, this is the Brazilian beef. Kasi diet tayo, so rib eye steak for me is 17.50. Okay na to. Salam. So, ito lang yung na-slice. Wala na. So, I'll take this. Australian lamb. So, let's buy egg. So, brown egg. So, large eggs. Ayan, this one. Let's go to the vegetables. Ayan, bumili na ako ng, ayun, sibuyas at saka patatas. So, let's buy carrots. So, I will buy pineapple, fresh pineapple. It's only 6 dirhams from Philippines. So, alin kaya dito? 2 beses na akong bumili ng pineapple, pero hindi maganda yung nabibili ko. Lamog siya, kumbaga, lamog, yun nga, yung nasaktan ba, siguro sa, hindi ako marunong. But anyway, sana this time, perfect na yung mabili ko. Apple, pears, ayan, bumili ako ng pears kahit mahal. Kasi healthy fruit ang pears, and 15.50. My goodness. Ayan. Ang ganda ng tomatoes. Napaka-fresh at malalaki. This is banana Cordova. 17 dirhams per kilo. Ayan. Oh my God, ang mahal. Ayan o, mango. Naalala ko yung mango ko sa airport. Nag-exceed ako, guys. So, I have to leave my mangoes, which is 6 kilos. Kaloka. Swerte nung cleaner. Binigay ko kay ate. Tapos na ako. I almost forgot my lemon. So, ayan. Bumalik ako. Now, let's go to the fish section. Of course, my favorite, salmon. Hindi ko alam kung alin ang pipiliin ko. This one is okay or this one? Ito na lang. Manipis. Ito. Ayan. Bili tayo ng squid. Baka gusto ni Ivan ng adobong pusit for lunch for today. Ayan siya. So I'm almost done. I'll just buy one fresh milk and then my almond milk, and then that's it. Nasa ano tayo, mga detergent, which is I will not buy kasi marami pa akong stock sa bahay ng mga panglinis. So ayan, so let's go here sa milk. Ouch. Milk. So, I'll buy my almond milk. Ayan, may sale sila. But I don't know. See, almond milk. They have here also coconut and almond. Ayan. So, pag 1 lang is 14.50, but they have promotion na 2 pack, it is 26 dirhams. Kaso lang kasi
Same price. Yeah, pocket there too much na.
Baka ako'y ma-expiredan or napapanis lang.
Down here.
So I don't know if I will buy 2 or 1 only. So I'll buy this. And this one, isa lang din. Kasi ang per pack nila dito is 4 liters. Which is 14.75. Makakatipid ka nga, pero dalawa lang kasi kami ng anak ko. So, dito lang ako sa isa. Ayan. I'm here sa aming favorite bread. Ayan. Ito ang kanyang favorite bread. And this is mine, my favorite. Ayan. I'll take one. And sa anak ko, syempre, sa ano tayo? Sa bandang dulo. This one. So, ayan guys. I'm done for today. Tapos na tayo mag-grocery. So, I'm going back home para i-arrange na yung mga pinamili natin for today. So, again guys, if you do enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!